Some exciting news to share with you. The Bitcoin market is on the brink of a major breakthrough, and I've got the inside scoop. My latest technical analysis and price prediction will blow your mind. Trust me, you won't want to miss this. So grab a seat, buckle up, and get ready because it's happening. Make sure to hit the subscribe button so you will not miss an update from me. With that said, let's get right into it, guys. So if we take a look at what just happened with Bitcoin, what do we see here, guys? We tested this once, twice, and now the third time. And on the third time, Bitcoin actually pumped all the way up, guys. Look at it, pumped all the way up to 23,800. Right now, it's sitting around $23,190. Is this a confirmation that we are going to still see a price surge for Bitcoin? Well, guys, if we take a closer look, let's take this off, guys. This is already confirmation, as I said in my previous video. If you haven't checked that out, go check it out right now. But I did say if we did break below this point, which is 23,300 or 22,300, then we would look at a correction, possibly a 12 to 13% correction, meaning a Bitcoin price of $19,000. But it looks like Bitcoin price is still not ready to correct. As you guys can see, in the near future, maybe in the next 24 hours, we may see a $25,000 Bitcoin because it looks like the bulls right now are trying to bring the price up. Now, let's take a closer look right here on the EMA 200 on the daily time frame. As I said, the correction right here, guys, well, on the daily time frame, we're seeing a green candle. This looks very bullish, but we must be careful not to press the gas and start entering trades, because this is where a lot of institutions will make their money. I'm just letting you guys know, be careful, because before I even get into that, right here we can see a correction of 19,500. As I said, if we take another look at this on the hourly time frame, the volume, as I said, we tested here 3 times, guys. Once we saw a surge in price right here, and then we went back down, tested it again, and we saw somewhat of a surge, and we saw another retest and a surge up. It looked like it was forming a double bottom right here, guys, on the 1 hour time frame before shooting back up with the volume right here. As you guys can see, just shot up, but then the price went back down to 22,800. Right now it's currently sitting at 23,200. But if we take a closer look right now, guys, it looks on the weekly time frame that this week we may see a $24,000 or $25,000 Bitcoin, because confirmation, as I said, from the bounce right here, 1, 2, 3. We still haven't broke below this right here, so that means we're still not in a Bitcoin correction, meaning we may very well see a Bitcoin surge to 24,000. Now looking right here, also, looks also bullish. It looks like there's going to be another push to the upside right now on the daily time frame and weekly, as you guys can see right here. We see right here another push as of right now to the upside, maybe in the next 24 hours. But as I said, we need to be careful, because if you look in the last 24 hours, $213 million have been liquidated. And if you take a look, well, 74% came from short, as I said, because a lot of people fell for the trap. This is why I said you guys need to have a trading plan. I said we would see a Bitcoin correction if we broke below 22,300, which we clearly did not. But a lot of new traders probably entered the market because they thought we were going to see a correction. And guess what? It was the opposite. And 74% got liquidated as a result. This is why, guys, you need to be careful, because we may also see this again right now with the Bitcoin price, because I'm pretty sure a lot of people started entering trades on long positions for Bitcoin, And as a result, this is why we see this candlestick go back all the way down to liquidate them. This is why you need to be careful, guys, when entering trades. But as of right now, it looks still bullish, and it looks like there's going to be a price surge to 24,000 in the next 24 hours, because we still have not broken below the $22,300 price level, which is very important if we don't want to see a correction right now. But in the near future, we are going to have to eventually see a Bitcoin correction. Now, looking at the crypto greed and fear indicator, it is still neutral right now, as you guys can see, meaning it can go either way. The market does not know where it wants to go yet. As a result, it can go either way, guys. This is a 50-50. This is why I said be careful when entering trades in Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies, because it may be very volatile, as you guys can see right here. This was volatile right there. That was crazy. Now, if we take a look, the cap is at $1 trillion, 1.1 trillion as of right now. That is very good because of the rise in Bitcoin's price. And as a result, we're seeing other cryptos like Ethereum pump up. As you guys can see right here, it looks very volatile. It went up, down, and up again. For Ethereum, XRP is somewhat up right now. Quant is doing amazing right now. There was a spike to 165, which is amazing. But right now, everything is pointing at a Bitcoin price of 24,000. If we take a look on the weekly time frame, it looks like it's going to test the EMA 20 or EMA 55, which is at 25,000. Also, if we take a look at some specific support and resistance, well, there's major resistance right here at 25,000 once again. And yeah, guys, this is why I said we need to be aware. And guys, overall, right now, it looks very good for Bitcoin. Overall, it looks like the price of Bitcoin currently is going to be surging to 25,000 because, as the confirmation, we bounced off the 22,300 instead of breaking to the downside. So we are still bullish short term for Bitcoin. With that said, guys, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for daily Bitcoin analysis, and make sure you guys go subscribe right now to the channel DC Trading if you want to stay updated with Bitcoin analysis on the daily time frame or on the daily basis. Thank you guys also for 10,000 subscribers. Go check this out, guys. Also, make sure to go vote on the polls. Yes, go vote on the polls right now. I want to hear your guys' opinions. But with that said, make sure to go check this video out right now because YouTube is recommending this, meaning it's very important. Go check it out. With that said, peace.